Hey drummers, Jim Linsner, Left Hand Uppercut Part 2. Today I'm going to show you how to take this move right here and apply it to a busier hand pattern. The hand pattern is your typical 16th note groove, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, with alternate sticking. I want you to make one change though. I want you to play the left hand in the groove on the snare drum. Same groove, same sticking, but instead of playing the left hand up here, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, I want you to play the left hand down here, 1 E and a, 2 E and a. And it's crucial that all the lefts are ghost notes, okay? Teeny tiny little strokes that are very, very quiet. This will make the groove sound much cooler. You can put the left hand uppercut on any count you want, but today we're going to focus on playing it on the of the beat. 1 E and 2 E and okay? And the first spot we're going to put it in is the of 2. Now let's try it on the of 2 and the of 4. Now let's try it on the of 1 and the of 3. It might help you to know that the uppercut's going to happen just before your right hand comes over to the snare to play the backbeat. Now the challenging part. We're going to play the left hand uppercut on all of the uhs, which means your left hand's going to be going ghost note, uppercut, ghost note, hi-hat, ghost note, hi-hat, over and over again. This is really challenging. I'm going to play it very slowly at first. If you're still having a hard time with that pattern, another approach is you could just play a couple of notes at a time. Play that over and over again, add one more note. Play that over and over again, add one more note. I'll do that right now. Now let's change the bass drum and make it a little bit funkier. We're going to play the bass drum on the and of 3 instead of the 3. The uppercut is going to be on the of 2. Now let's play the uppercut on the of 2 and the of 4 with our new bass drum pattern. Now let's play the uppercut on the of 1 and the of 3 with our new bass drum pattern. Remember, this is the one where the uppercut comes right before the snare backbeat. Now let's play all of the uppercuts, all of the uhs, with the left hand. Of course, there are many, many bass drum variations that you could apply to this left hand uppercut stuff. And I suggest you do that. I suggest that you start with some simple 8th note things and, just get the muscle memory happening, and then eventually get to the point where you can play any bass drum pattern that you can normally play with the left hand uppercut. Here's one for you. Try Walk This Way by Aerosmith, right? Everybody knows that. Bsh, ba, boom, boom, ba, Try playing that with the left hand uppercut. Check this out. All right, don't literally do that on the song Walk This Way with your band because it wouldn't fit. But the idea is to take all of your favorite bass drum patterns and apply those to the continuous left hand uppercut because it sounds really cool. And I know it's very challenging. It took me a while too. But at the end of the day, you're still just playing right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. You know, it's just alternating 16th notes, but it sounds so much better than that. It sounds so much more sophisticated, so it's worth the time and the effort. That's a wrap on Left Hand Uppercut Part 2. I'm Jim Linsner. Stick with me, YouTube, Instagram, drumlessonsbuffalo.com.